I embrace peace and tranquility within my heart. Calm flows through me like a gentle river. My mind is a sanctuary of serenity. I release all tension and welcome serenity. Every breath fills me with calmness. Peace surrounds me in all that I do. I am anchored in the tranquility of the present moment. My heart beats to the rhythm of calm. Serenity is my natural state of being. I let go of worries and embrace peace. Tranquility fills my mind and soul. Calmness is my choice, and I choose it now. I am a beacon of peace in a bustling world. My spirit is unshakable, grounded in calm. Every day, I cultivate more inner peace. Peaceful thoughts create a peaceful life. I am enveloped in an aura of calm. Serenity flows through me effortlessly. My inner peace is indestructible. Calm and peace guide my thoughts and actions. I find tranquility in every breath I take. My mind is clear, my heart is tranquil. Peace is within me and all around me. I nurture my inner calm with loving kindness. Tranquility is the essence of my being. Every moment offers a chance for peace. I let peace permeate every aspect of my life. My soul rests in a state of serene calm. I am the embodiment of tranquility. Inner peace is my unwavering companion.